Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. I know it's been a long time. From almost 2 weeks, I haven't uploaded a video, nor did I come live. And the reason for that has been put up in the community post. You can go and check it out there, but obviously after this video. So coming to today's video, uh, I'm going to show you all how to make a very cute showpiece uh, with your initials on it. So without wasting time, let's begin. So let's start with the video. The first part was actually recorded, but I don't know, somehow it has got deleted. So I'll tell you all what you have to do before going ahead with the video. First thing is you'll have to mix plaster of Paris powder with water in 1:2 ratio. That is 1 part of water with 2 parts of plaster of Paris. So in case you put 3 spoons of water or 3 cups of water, then you have to put 6 cups of plaster of Paris layer. It depends on how much you're going to use. And after mixing it, I took a cupcake mold, which the picture of which you can see somewhere here. So I took this type of mold. One is heart shape and one is star shape. You can see it. And I poured the plaster of Paris mixture into it, and I let it for drying. After it dried, then I took it out from that, because it is a silicone mold. It is very easy to remove from that. So that's why I use the silicone mold, which actually it is a cupcake mold, but yes, I've used it for this also. So yes, this is the first part, and the remaining part you'll see in the video itself. Those clips are luckily there, it didn't get deleted, so you can go ahead and watch the video. I'll see you all after that. Hello again. So I hope you like this idea. I try to make it as best as possible. So I hope you like my idea. Going ahead, if you like, then please do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, then please do subscribe to the channel. There is no subscription fee here, so it is totally free. So subscription won't cost you anything. So if you like my content, then please do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos or whenever I come live. I do come live mostly every Sundays, but now, anyways, the schedule you all can check it out in the community post itself. And yes, I do see that there are many of you who are watching the videos but you're not subscribing. Please, one thing I just request from you, I'm not asking you for money or anything, just a subscribe button. You can click on it. Nothing else I'm asking you for. So please do subscribe, and also, as I already said, hit the bell icon for notifications. That's it for today's video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.